For the Volvo S80 II, produced from 2006 to 2016, aim for oil changes every 10,000 miles or 12 months under normal driving conditions. However, if you frequently experience severe conditions like stop-and-go traffic, towing, or extreme temperatures, shorten this interval to 5,000 to 7,000 miles. Normal driving includes consistent highway speeds and moderate temperatures. This gentle driving style allows oil to maintain its protective properties longer. Severe driving means frequent short trips, heavy loads, dusty environments, or extreme hot or cold weather. These harsh conditions put extra stress on the engine and oil. Heavy loads and dusty roads create additional friction and contamination that breaks down oil quickly. Extreme temperatures, whether very hot or very cold, accelerate oil degradation and reduce its effectiveness. These conditions accelerate oil breakdown, hence the need for more frequent changes to keep your engine protected. For your Volvo S80 II, use full synthetic 530 or 5-40 oil that meets Volvo's ASEA A5B5 standards. Synthetic oils offer superior protection compared to conventional or blended oils. They resist breakdown, oxidation, and contaminants better, lasting longer. Using the correct oil is crucial for maintaining engine health, particularly in turbocharged engines where proper lubrication prevents costly issues. If your Volvo S80 II has a turbocharged engine like the 2.4T, pay close attention to oil change intervals. Turbochargers generate high heat, which can cause oil coking, the breakdown and buildup of oil residue. This heat accelerates oil degradation, leading to coking, where oil breaks down into sticky residues that can clog components and cause failure. Sticking to recommended oil change intervals is vital to prevent expensive turbo failure and maintain your engine's reliability. Later models of the Volvo S80 II, produced after 2010, come equipped with oil level sensors and service reminders that alert you when maintenance is due. Regardless of these sensors, regularly check your oil level using the dipstick for accuracy. When checking, look for a clear amber color indicating healthy oil. Dark or gritty oil suggests contamination and the need for an immediate change. Regular monitoring helps prevent engine damage and ensures optimal performance. Some owners extend oil change intervals to 15,000 miles using full synthetic oils, which resist breakdown better than conventional oils. This is advisable only with careful monitoring and consistently normal driving conditions. Ignoring Volvo's recommendations can lead to premature engine wear and costly repairs. Changing your own oil can save money, typically $20 to $40 for parts versus the full shop cost. It's convenient to do at home, but requires knowledge of the process, proper tools, and correct disposal methods to avoid environmental issues. There's also a risk of mistakes if you're inexperienced. Professional oil changes ensure the correct oil filter is replaced and that Volvo's specifications are followed precisely. The shop also handles proper disposal of the used oil. The average cost for a professional oil change at a shop is $80 to $120, which includes labor and disposal fees. To make the best choice, weigh the pros and cons based on your experience level, available time, and safety considerations for your Volvo S80 II. Neglecting oil changes leads to engine sludge buildup, where dirty oil forms deposits that clog vital components like pistons and filters. This reduces fuel efficiency as increased friction causes the engine to work harder, leading to poorer mileage and higher costs. Increased emissions follow, with inefficient combustion releasing more CO2 and pollutants into the environment. Ultimately, this can lead to engine failure, with turbocharged models particularly vulnerable to costly breakdowns. Regular oil changes are an investment in your Volvo S80 II's longevity and reliability, preventing most preventable engine issues.